Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting hotel review. Today we are taking a look at the Hyatt Regency Los Angeles International Airport. It's one of my favorite airport hotels in the US. Super convenient if you're flying out of LAX because you can actually walk to the terminals. It's just one block off the airport property. We had a really quick one-night stay here, just about 8 hours total, but here's the lobby of the hotel. It's themed kind of 1960s, kind of jet age. Goes with the LAX location. They have a restaurant and a to-go bar right there in the main lobby, as well as a regular bar. As a Globalist, you get $25 a person to use at the restaurant or the to-go bar, which is great if you have an early flight and the restaurant's not open yet. Now let's take a look at some of the shared amenities at the hotel. The fitness center is on the 13th floor of the penthouse level. It's really huge room, actually has some nice runway views if you love to exercise and watch planes take off like I do. They have all the machines that you could need, so really nice space here, and was open for guests even with the COVID-19 pandemic still going on in the United States. The hotel also has a pool that you can see here. It was very foggy our morning that we were there, but there it is for you. The hotel also has a few meeting rooms like this one on the top floor that has nice circular views of all of LAX. So now let's take a look at one of the standard rooms at the hotel that we did get upgraded to a nice runway view, but no suites were available that night for Globalist to be upgraded to. You can see that the bathroom is pretty small, but has everything that you need for a short airport stay, which is why most people are staying at the hotel, though it is pretty close to Santa Monica and Manhattan Beach. There's a refrigerator, a coffee maker, large television, nice seating area for some dining, as well as a couch, and of course the king bed. So, has everything you need. Definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching this short video, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Talk to y'all soon.